Hey, Dante, wake up.
What's the matter, kid?
I told you yesterday, we're gonna change Lady's battery.
Lady runs batteries? What?
No, you idiot. Her car battery. She hasn't moved that car for 5 months.
Okay, well, do it in 5 minutes.
Oh, no. Not 5 minutes. Now, old man. Come on. You need a life skill.
I hate this family.
You telling me you've never changed a car battery before?
I told you, kid. I just drive the cars. I don't fix them.
It'll be easy, okay? Just follow along.
Fine, let's get this over with.
First step is...
Pop the hood.
Thank you. Pop the hood. It's that easy. All right, next, we gotta find the latch so we can open up the hood. Should be down here somewhere. You got that latch here. And now we gotta get that hood held up. Ta-da! And I can't emphasize enough to make sure that hood is secure.
All right, this kid doesn't think I can do it. Not so hard.
All right, and then you gotta make sure you have all your supplies ready.
Like what?
Well, it'd be important if you had your battery, maybe some work gloves, a wrench, and maybe, this is extra, but a battery installation kit helps. And I can't emphasize enough to have a clean workstation. Remember, cleanliness is safetyness.
Oh, man.
And safety first. We're gonna be disengaging the negative first and then the positive, all right? Don't be a dummy, okay? Like some people. Make sure negative and positive don't touch, okay? Or else you'll turn out like this. You see this? This is the negative, and I want to remove the bolt here. Okay? Lefty-loosey, okay? Let's do this. And now it should lift off, okay? And put this safely aside. Whew. Next step, the positive. Same thing, lefty-loosey. What is left on this? To remove this battery, I've got to get out of this tray. So I've got to unscrew this in order to remove and lift out the battery. Here I go. Bingo. Oh, it's so heavy.
You need help, kid, or?
No, I got it.
All right.
All right, let's get that new battery in, okay? Now lift and gently put it down.
Those crunching sounds are normal, right?
Yep, definitely normal. Whew. How's that look?
Looks like a car battery.
Damn right it is.
We're not really close to the ocean, so this will do, right?
Dante, no! You have to take it back to the automotive parts store to get your $20 credit back.
So much work.
Dude, there's rules about these things. Don't forget to put this back in, okay? I know you always forget things. All right, put that back in. And let's get the screw in. Wait, And as an optional mission, you want to get greased up for this. We're going to use this battery installation kit. It prevents terminal corrosion. Got to protect that battery. Keep it running. Take a little bit of this. Oh yeah. And you're going to want to wipe that around.
Wait a minute.
What? Never seen this before?
It looks a little too familiar. You're telling me I could be using that stuff for this?
Oh my God, Dante, no. All right, let's put this on the negative and this on the positive, all right? Yeah, look at that. All right, that's one happy battery, okay? Now let's, again, reiterate. We're gonna do this in the reverse order. We're now going to put on the positive first and then the negative. Follow along. Yeah. That looks pretty good. Positive is in. Got that. Now onto the negative. Yeah. Negative is in. And that's it, we're done. Well, she seems juiced up. Let's give her a go, okay? Whew, come on, baby.
Hey,
Do it as well.
what do you know?
Every lecture and course.
What did I tell you? I'm an expert at these things. Can I hear a thank you?
Yeah, thanks for waking me up, kid. Now let's go get some damn ice cream.
This is a household full of assholes, you know?
Yep, you're one of them. Why are you wearing gloves in here?
This car's filthy.